Hi, and welcome to this new video. My name is Sylvia, and today we will see together the difference between a partial wall and the partition wall. So, let's get started. We're now on my simulator, so you have to imagine to be on the real app. I'm just using the mouse instead of using my fingertips, but it works the same. If we want to start adding a partial wall, we select our room. And then we tap on a point on our wall. Let's say we want to add a partial wall here. So we have the option on the side, add wall. We tap on that and voila, we have our wall that is recognized as every other regular wall by the app, right? So if I want, I can add also some wall objects on it, as well as windows or doors, openings. So let's see, if we select our wall, we tap on Add Objects, and then I will add an opening. We can also take a look like this in elevation view, and we could change the openings, right? So here it looks like a door, but maybe we want it to be like a window, so we can change the distance from the floor, and let's do like 1 meter. Voila, and then we want to make it smaller, of course, so let's do 1.20 m. And here we go. We have our opening. We can take a look in 2D. We can also take a look in 3D here, and voila. As you can see here, we have our beautiful opening between the kitchen and the living room. Let's go back to the project view. Here we go. Let's imagine that we want to add a partition wall, which is an object instead. So we select another room, the bathroom in this case, and we don't need to select a wall. We just go on Add Object, and in Structural, we will find both the option Partition Wall and also Glass Partition Wall. So we have two options. Let's decide to add a partition wall here, and voila, you can see you can move it around, and you can also rotate it. And you can put it where you need it to be in your room. It doesn't have to be at 90 degrees like the partial wall, but it can also be rotated like this, for example. And let's say we want to add also like a separate here in the middle. We could also duplicate that and move it around the room somewhere else. We can put it like this. Here we go. And it can be everywhere in the room. And we could also do like this. We can delete this and we just add object. And instead of adding the partition wall like that, we could select the glass partition wall and we could put it, let's say, here like this. And then we can still take a look at our 3D view and voila. As you can see here, you can check if it is as you want it to be or if you want to change something. And maybe one last thing, let me go back to our project. You can resize both the partial wall and the partition wall, right? We selected and we have here the information, so you could decide to change the length, and you can do that also for our object, the partition wall. As you can see here, you can also adapt the width, the depth, and the height. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us at support@magicplan.app. We will be happy to help, and I will see you in our next video. Bye.